Dear friends, I am an amateur philatelist. That means a stamp collector. I collect lot many stamps and I segregate my stamps into different subjects. One of the subject is again on birds. Okay. Now you can see my collection of stamps on birds. I'll glance it through the whole album for you. All stamps pertaining to birds are segregated and put into one album in spite of their country. Okay, this is not country wise, this is a thematic subject wise. Okay, in fact, I have to further segregate this based on the species of the birds, so it will be much more thematic, and the origin country of the bird also. But anyway, as a first segregation, I have made this album. I am 72 years old. I've been collecting stamps since 1960. Huge collection of 10,000 to 12,000. Okay, right, you can see beautiful triangle stamps also here. Okay, I'll go to the next page of the album on the birds collection. Yeah, fine, you can see beautiful stamps over here of the birds. I've already uploaded nearly 23 videos of my collections on different countries and different subjects. So philatelic lovers and stamp collectors, they can subscribe to my channel and go through all the videos. Request to subscribe to my channel, offer your comments and press the like button. It's a pleasure to see the stamp collection. Okay. Some of the migratory birds are also there. Okay. United States of America, Nigeria, Fiji, Singapore. Singapore also has issued nice stamps. Okay. 2, 2, 3, 3 put together I have made it. Even though it's duplicate, I am not segregating it. I am keeping it for segregation later. Yeah. We'll go to the next page of the album. Nice words. What good. I think a seagull from New Zealand. Very nice. Okay. Come to see the conditions of stamps are very good, not damaged, The postal marks are also very clear, and the perforations of the stamps also neatly preserved. Most of them are taken out from the covers, hence we might not find the original gum behind the stamps, but some of the stamps has got its original gum. India also has released fantastic stamps on birds. Yeah. So from here, I think we missed some of the stamps over here. These are nice Malaysian stamps. I missed all that. Okay, coming back into the row, coming here. Yeah. You can see nice stamps over here, one over here. Wow, kites and eagles, fantastic. I think it's a German stamps, yes. German release, beautiful stamps on eagles. Okay. Fine. I'll go to the next page of the album. Yeah, now here also you can see most of very nice stamps, small one, cute ones. Yeah, you can see the granny clock at my house ringing also, ringing the bell. My grandfather's clock. Okay, nice one. This is my art gallery also, where I segregate my stamps. Fantastic birds you can see over here. Wow, Fiji stamps. I think this looks like a China stamps. Yeah, Republic of China. Nice ones here also. Yeah, you can see an Indian peacock. Nice Indian peacock stamp over here. Japanese stamps. Again, Indian stamps. Nice ones. Okay, let me go to the next page of my album. The time is running short. It becomes a big video, therefore I'll make it as a glance of all this one. Okay, now you can see fantastic stamps over here. Singapore stamps. Nice ones. Beautiful. Okay. Now you can see a series of stamps over here also. I'll show you the series of stamps here. Now you can see the whole lot of stamps. Put it in one album, like Peckers, all that. I think these are all very nice stamps of Singapore. Yeah. Okay. Right. This covers the whole album of birds. Still there are so many other birds also here. Let me cover this also. Right. I think it will become a huge album of birds only. Yeah. Okay. Now you can see lot many birds over here. Eagles. Right. Okay. Right. Let me go to the next page of the album. Here also you can see beautiful peacocks. Nice ones. Okay. Quite a big album of birds series. It is taking, that's why I'm going slightly faster so that you can see each time faster. Right. Some of the birds. Yeah, fantastic stamps over here. Okay. Wow, there are some more stamps also here in the next page. Now you can see all these bird stamps, red lines. I'm going faster. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Nice Dubai stamp. Okay. Yeah. West Indian peacock I have already showed you. Okay. Nice Indian stamps released on birds. Okay. I think this completes the series of birds collection. If you like my album, please subscribe. Please press the like button and offer your comments. Thank you.